What's the difference between supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithms? Supervised algorithms use labeled data to train the model to predict or classify the target variable. And we use them when we have a prediction, classification, or even regression problems, such as if we want to predict fraud transactions in financial dataset, or to classify an email as a spam or not a spam. Examples of supervised models are naive Bayes, random forest, decision tree, support vector machine, and many more. One of the advantages of using supervised models is that we can get higher accuracy and more accurate models performance once the labeled data is available. One of the disadvantages of using supervised models is that it's hard, more time consuming, and sometimes more expensive to get the target labeled data. On the contrary, unsupervised models use unlabeled data, and we use them to detect hidden patterns, groupings, clusters, and relationships within the dataset. Examples of unsupervised models are clustering, like k-means clustering, to group customers based on their purchase behavior. Anomaly detection, to detect unusual transactions in a huge financial dataset. And also dimensionality reduction, to reduce the number of features in a huge dataset and keep only on the most important ones. One of the advantages of using unsupervised models is that we can detect hidden patterns or unexpected patterns and insights in huge datasets. One of the disadvantages of using unsupervised models is that results to some extent are more subjective, and also models' performance, sometimes it's hard to be evaluated. In summary, we can conclude that supervised algorithms are used when we want to predict or classify, whereas unsupervised ones are used when we want to analyze.